everybody, my name is Stephanie Galarza and I am a program leader at Theodore Vick Elementary for the Adelanto School District. Alrighty, so for this video, I will be demonstrating how to create a bowl out of yarn and glue. So let's start with the supplies that we need. Cut it right there. And now we have a piece of yarn. So now we're gonna grab the piece that we just cut with the uncut piece. We're gonna try to match it together. Match it, and wherever it ends, cut it again. It doesn't have to be exactly the same measurement, but try to get it close enough. And we're gonna cut and mix the glue in the water. You want to mix it, and we're good. Now we need to go ahead and grab our plastic wrap. We need to kind of, try to hint how much you need. We are going to cover our bowl with the plastic wrap nicely. Now, two ways we can do this. We can go ahead and use our finger and just put glue all over here. We can dip the string, or we can use our brush to apply glue to the bowl. Now, I will show you in a minute. See if you can see from here, but I will show you close up, just like that. We only put a little bit of glue on there because we don't want to fill the whole bowl with glue starting off, because it will dry very fast, and then if it dries, the yarn won't stick. So we grab it towards the end. We put it like this, and we wrap it around. I will show you exactly how right now. You just keep making little circles. You wrap it around. You can see it's all covered now. And our next step is to let this dry for about 2 or 3 hours. For our last step, we're just gonna go ahead and remove the plastic from the bowl, and we're gonna go ahead and start to pull the plastic away from the bowl. We have to do this very slowly because if we pull too fast, it could ruin our bowl. And there you have it. A nice pretty bowl that you can use to store your bobby pins, your hair ties, or anything you'd like.